Dear students, welcome in English class. Today we will start second poem from First Flight book Fire and Ice. It's also composed by the poet Robert Frost. Okay. The name of the poem is Fire and Ice. Okay. Let's start the poem. Some say the world will end in fire. Poem is Fire and Ice. Okay, let's start the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Okay, the first stanza of this poem, and in this poem, poet here expresses about the destruction of the whole world, how to be destruct. Okay, it means poet want to discuss how the whole universe will destruct, will be means finished one day, doomsday. What will be? Some say the world will end in fire, means poet here expresses that according to some people, according to their wording, that whole the world will end one day by the letting fire, and some people say that the world will end one day by the ice. But the poet, the favor of the desire, tastes of desire, means he want to say that he is the favor of the people who is saying fire in first stanza. Okay, मीन्स पोएट का कहना है कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि पूरी दुनिया एक दिन लय हो जाएगी, विनाश हो जाएगा उसका, किसके द्वारा? आग के द्वारा, क्योंकि आग लगने से कुछ भी नहीं बचता है। और कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि पूरी दुनिया जो है बर्फ के पिघलने से धीरे धीरे पूरी पृथ्वी जो है डूब जाएगी, तो बर्फ के द्वारा पूरे संसार का लय हो जाएगा। ओके, और पोएट ये भी कहते हैं कि वो फायर के फेवर में है कि आग लगने से जो है दुनिया लय हो सकती है। ओके, सेकंड स्टैंजा, बट इफ इट हैड टू पेरिश ट्वाइस, हियर द वर्ड गिवन पेरिश, पेरिश मीन्स you know, perish is here, perish means finished and twice means दोबारा। ओके, मीन्स अगर दुनिया जो है दोबारा फिनिश होती है तो वो किसके द्वारा होगा? अगर दूसरी बार डिस्ट्रक्शन होगा तो आई थिंक आई नो एनफ ऑफ hatredness, okay, to say that for destruction ice is also great. It means the ice is also and would suffice, suffice means enough, the last word given here, suffice, suffice means enough, means if the world will be destruct twice then may be by the ice, means बर्फ भी कारण हो सकता है पूरी दुनिया के लय होने का। ओके, क्योंकि बर्फ जैसे जैसे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग बढ़ती है, बढ़ रही है, पिघलती है, तो वाटर लेवल इंक्रीज होता है और पूरे पृथ्वी को कवर कर लेता है। ओके, इन दिस वे आल्सो अकॉर्डिंग टू रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट। एंड another meaning also of this poem, listen students, fire is the symbol of desire, greediness, lalach, and ice is the symbol of hatredness, hatredness means घृणा। And in last, poet here want to express by the medium of his poem, whole the world will be destruct by the two human feelings. First one is desire, greediness. If we will extra use the things for the greed, not for the need, then one day everything may be finished, like the natural resources and everything. Okay, and in second, according to second stanza, poet here want to say that if world will destruct one day, it's maybe by the hatredness. घृणा के द्वारा भी पूरी दुनिया एक दिन नष्ट हो सकती है. किसी का किसी के साथ कोई प्रेम नहीं होगा, कोई लगाव नहीं होगा. लोग अपना अपना राग अलापेंगे और एक दूसरे से घृणा रखेंगे, दुश्मनी रखेंगे, तो युद्ध भी डिस्ट्रक्शन का कारण हो सकता है. मीन्स हेट इज द सिंबल ऑफ आइस. घृणा के द्वारा भी पर्याप्त है, घृणा भी पर्याप्त है इस पूरी दुनिया को करने के लिए. ओके, सो इन दिस पोएम हैव टू सेंस. वन सेंस ऑफ नेचुरल means the whole the world may be decay, may be destroyed by the fire and ice. And second meaning and second sense of the poem is that one day if whole the world will be destroyed, it's maybe due to feeling of greediness and due to feeling of hatredness. Okay, so the moral of the poem is that means we should not hate to anyone and we should not be greedy. We should use the things for need, not for the greed, and we should